yeah, and fantastic technology. You're looking at all the hardware that he's got there and all the work. The reason it hasn't been done is it's very, very hard to do. But, you know, I think what they've done is amazing.
That was pretty cool. I've never done that.
What an innovative way to use technology to help your consumers. I mean, that was so cool just to be able to walk around.
That was pretty amazing. I loved it. You could go room to room and change out all the different options. It was pretty awesome. And it was fun, and it would be perfect for anybody to try to figure out how they want their house set up.
I loved it. It was a lot of fun. I could have gone all day.
It was very interesting.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've tried that, and the virtual reality fascinating. It really is.
It was really fun. Like, you totally get immersed in it and get caught up in what you're doing, and it's, wow, it's like, gives 3D a whole new meaning.